Today is Sunday, May 5th, 2019. It is 94 degrees in here. 82 outside. It's much cooler outside, of course, but I just now came down to open up the Silver Streak. And I have learned that my insulation is facing the wrong direction, that the paper side should be out. So I'm going to take all this down and redo my insulation the proper way. At least my walls aren't up, right? And those are just stapled on. The Reflectix is just stapled on, so that's no big deal. So when it cools down in here, I'll come back down and work on this. At least thank you for the person that told me that I had this in improperly. Because I wouldn't have known otherwise, because I studied the wrong videos. Okay, it's almost 7 p.m. It's really not 101 in here. This has been laying in the window where the sunlight's coming through. Oh look, I got a little critter paw there. Wonder what that was. That's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to flip my insulation. Learn something new every day. Okay, so I'm just going to do each section at a time. So I'll just pull back the Reflectix, flip the insulation, get my needle nose pliers, and pull out the staples. So I'll do that the whole way around, and it shouldn't take me too terribly long to do this. Fun, fun, fun. So the pink stuff goes to the wall. The paper goes to the outside. Okay, you can see where I got most of it turned around. I had to stop right about here, which is a nice stopping point, because it's getting dark outside and I don't have any light in here. Boy, I sure would like to get this done though. Go home and get a light. I guess I will. I want to get this done. Okay, got it done. Yes, got it. Look at that. Oh well, I'll put some more Reflectix down there. I don't care. Don't care. There's a big gap on the floor there. I raised the Reflectix a little too high. I'll just cut another piece and put it down there later, because I'm out of here. Bye, y'all. Have a good one. Live the life you love. See, now that the sun's not on it, it says it's 77 degrees. Bye.